A happy new year, and God send you a happy new year. God bless the master of this house, likewise the mistress too, and all the little children who round the table go. Love and joy come to you, and to you yourself too. And God bless you and send you a happy new year. And God send you a happy new year. Ho-ho! Over here! In the Father Christmas corner, over here! Here we are. All right, come right round. Hello, young man. Hello, everyone over here. All the stragglers. Oh, it's Christmas night. How wonderful. All right, then, let's begin.
Good evening, everyone, and happy holidays. Welcome to Holidays Around the World. Tonight we have a very special guest all the way from the UK to tell us a holiday story all about UK. So let's welcome Father Christmas.
Thank you, my boy. Thank you. Thank you so very much. Well, let's make sure everyone hears us. Hear ye, hear ye. Anyone out there in the streets? Greeting to you, greeting to everyone out there and to everyone here, of course. I am Father Christmas, and I am here to welcome you to the United Kingdom. Tonight, we are here to toll the devil's knell. That is to say, one stroke of the bell for every year since the birth of Christ. Now, where was I? Oh, yes. 65, 66, 67, 60. So what year is it anyway? 2003. That means I have to ring this bell 34, 1,935 more times. All right. Yeah. You know, I'm going to do this later. There. Now, what was I saying? Oh, yes, I'm Father Christmas. And I've been around for many, many a year, you know. Many a year, bringing Christmas and holiday joy to all sorts of good little boys and girls all throughout the land. And I've received letters from a great many of you this year. Now, you, sir, you really asked for quite a lot this year. Expected a great deal. Ever the optimist. Ever the optimist. Be a good boy next year, we'll see. Ah, but it's Christmas night. How wonderful. You know, and it's just like I've seen so many Christmas nights with carols singing in England, you know. It's where carols came from. Not uncommon to see a group of people, much like yourselves, gathered on a street corner, much like this one, ready to sing carols and... Wait a minute, that gives me an idea. But I'm going to need a helper. I'll need a help. Oh, your hand went up first. What's your name, young man?
Kevin.
Kevin. Hello, Kevin. Where are you from?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. Would you come stand right over here? Kevin, one last check. Have you been a good boy this year?
Yes.
Extraordinary. Fine, young man. Up on the step. You wouldn't be so kind. You'll be as tall as me. Close enough. Now, if you'll take these official reindeer jingle bells in both hands, get a good grip, and when I point at you and say, jingle bells, I want you to ring them as loudly and as vigorously as you can. All right?
Yes.
Good. Now, the origin of the Christmas carol, jingle bells. Oh, he's good. He's good. Right on top of it there now. As I was saying, the origin, jingle bells. He's back. No moss growing on this lad. Now we're going to sing, of course, obviously, that good old English Christmas song.
Jingle bells.
No, you're right, but they're wrong. No. Not Jingle Bells. No, I said an English Christmas song. Jingle Bells is not English. Jingle Bells is from New Jersey or someplace. And we're going to sing Deck the Halls with some jingling. All right? All right, here we go. Here's your cue. A one, a two, a here we go. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. To the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. Well done, a big hand for our Jingle Bell dangler here. A fine job, young man. Fine, thank you. You may now return to your parents, or whoever will accept you. Oh, it was awful jingling. We've knocked the devil's nail back a couple of 100 years with that. And listening, hear you all sing and seeing your voices and your faces and all, it makes me think of, you know, a picture print of Currier and Ives, or better yet, a Christmas card. Because after all, Christmas cards were invented where? In England! That's right, 1843, the very first card was sent out, and still going round today. Well, not that original card, no. The subsequent cards, also. Other cards. But I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. You're here, you're listening to Father Christmas here. You're saying, Father Christmas, enough of cards and carols. What about the mistletoe? You're right. You're absolutely right there, man. Mistletoe is an ancient and honored tradition going way, way back in the Druid times when they had a special celebration of the winter solstice. And whenever a kiss was exchanged under the bough, there we are, the young man would pluck off one of the berries and they'd have another kiss and a berry and a kiss and a berry and a kiss until all the berries were gone. And that's why there's so little mistletoe left in England today. So for you, sir, I wish you many berries and many boughs, and for you, madam, watch out for that fellow there. So we have cards and carols and mistletoe, all three wonderful traditions that come from the countries of the United Kingdom. Northern Ireland and England and Scotland and Wales all have particular ways of celebrating that make this time of the year special. And just as Charles Dickens shared his perfect Victorian Christmas through his writing, the United Kingdom has taken all the customs and traditions of its countries and shared them with the rest of the world so we can all celebrate in like kind together, even as we're doing tonight. So with that in mind, I want to wish to you, from all of the villages and towns of the United Kingdom, a very Merry Christmas. A very Merry Christmas to all! Let's sing once before we go. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Happy holidays to everyone. Thank you so much for coming by to see me. Thank you very much.
Father Christmas.
Yes.
I know you're busy this time of the year, but do you have time to take some pictures and maybe autographs for some of our guests tonight?
Yes, I think I could do that.
If anybody would like an
Yes,
autograph
indeed.
for pictures, just
Father Christmas photo op is open.